morning, dear students. Today's topic is coordinate geometry. In this chapter, we will learn about coordinate geometry. So, let's see. Definition of coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is the study of geometrically representing ordered pair numbers. So, objective of this lesson, at the end of this lesson, we will able to understand the concept of coordinate geometry and explain the Cartesian system, measure the perpendicular distance of a point from the coordinate axis, plot a point in the plane if its coordinate are known. Definition of the term used in the coordinate geometry. Let's see the definition by grid. A pattern of horizontally and vertically lines usually forming a squares. So in this figure, numbers of a square, and we can say the numbers located in x-axis lie on horizontal lines, goes to left to right, and the numbers located on y-axis lie on vertical lines, goes to top to bottom. X-axis and y-axis at a meet point is called origin. The distance from x-axis is 3 units and distance from y-axis is 4 units. So the point coordinate is 3, 4 because x, y. So alphabetically order x, y. Let's again the definition. Coordinate geometry is the study of geometrically representing ordered pair of numbers. This system of describing the position of point in a plane or coordinate geometry was initially developed by René Descartes. Here we can see the picture of René Descartes. The system is often called Cartesian system. Cartesian system, also known as the rectangular coordinate system, can be used at plot points and graph lines. So we can see here the graph lines, axis x and y axis, their integer number are located in the lines. The x coordinate is called abscissa. Here the numbers used in the x coordinate is called abscissa. The numbers used in y coordinate is called ordinate. The x coordinate, unclose the brackets, writing the x coordinate first followed by the y coordinate, because alphabetically point of location of any point in the coordinate, first we used x and last we used y. The terms used in the Cartesian system. Number line. A number line is the straight line on which integers are marked as evenly spaced point. Goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. Origin. Number line is divided into two symmetrical halves by fixed point called origin. It is the number of origin equal to 0. Coordinate plane. It is a two-dimensional plane in which every point identified with exactly one number and vice versa. It is called xy plane. Here we can see the x-axis and y-axis. The plane is called xy plane. Coordinate axis. The x and y-axis both are positive and negative direction. Collectively are called coordinate axis. First quadrant means x, y are positive, and third quadrant x and y both are negative. What is quadrant? Quadrant are divided by 4 equal halves. It's called by a plane. It's called quadrant. First quadrant generally x is positive and y is also positive. So x positive, y positive. Second quadrant x is negative and y is positive. X negative, positive. Third quadrant x and y both are negative. So the x negative, y negative. Fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. So positive, negative. Measurement of the perpendicular distance of a point from coordinate axis. We can see the distance, measure perpendicular distance from point A from x-axis and y-axis. So point A, the perpendicular drawn AM on the x-axis and AN on the y-axis. So the distance from x-axis is 2 unit and y-axis is 3 unit. So OM, distance of origin from x-axis, is 2 unit. Similarly, the perpendicular distance of the point A from x-axis measured along the positive direction of y-axis is AM. on ON equal to 3 units. So we can say the distance of point 2, 3 and Cartesian coordinate is 2, 3. Another examples, write down the coordinate of a point from the following figure. Step 1. X coordinate of a point A minus 3 and its perpendicular distance from y axis measured along x axis is minus 3 unit. Axis are equal to minus 3. Step 2. Y coordinate of a point A 5 is perpendicular distance from x axis measured along y axis as shown is 5 unit. Distance from y coordinate equal to 5. Step 3. Enclose the coordinate in brackets, writing the x coordinate first followed by the y coordinate. So minus 3, 5. The coordinate of point A equal to minus 3, 5. Did you know Sir Isaac Newton was the first to use negative coordinate in the collection of figure of graphs of polynomial of the third degree. So we can see the picture of Sir Isaac Newton. Coordinate geometry, also called analytical geometry in classical mathematics. The study of geometry using coordinate system and principle of algebra and analysis.